how to remove block contact from WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can actually remove the blocked contact from WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to remove block contact from WhatsApp, open up the WhatsApp application here. Then just tap the three dots option from the top right hand side and then just go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings over here, you'll find all these options where what you need to do is just go to this option here known as privacy and then tap on it. And once you go to privacy over here, if you scroll down, you'll find an option called blocked contacts. So make sure to select the block contacts option here. And let's say you just happen to block someone over here. So let me select a certain person. Once I select certain person that I had blocked, if I want to remove them from my blocked contact list, the only way I can do that is to unblock them. So I cannot just say I want to delete this person from my blocked contacts without unblocking. That is simply not possible. Because what if you want to unblock them in the future and you don't remember the number? WhatsApp always needs to keep a record, and they cannot work on human sentiments. It has to be worked legally and according to the policy. So I hope that you understand this as a consumer of WhatsApp application. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.